Guys, this is the 4th day of quarantine and this is Lopez Street, I think. And I did my makeup tutorial at home. It's really pointless right now, but I just had to make a quick video for you guys. And I had to really run out to buy some stuff. I was not going to leave home because you guys know that it's so dangerous to go out, but running out of stocks, and we're really gonna go out for like important things to buy, like food. Hi. So Dad's inside the grocery, and after that we're gonna go to his farm. It's really sad that this whole thing is really depressing, but we all have to stay strong and positive to avoid the virus. And you have to really cooperate because that's the only way to get out of all of this. I've never seen this street so calm. I mean, there are a few people outside, but that's it. Most of the stores are closed, and 7-Eleven is closed, I think. Is it closed? Yeah, there's 7-Eleven. Huh?
Open.
Yeah, there's this small store. They're selling vegetables and snacks. They're open. Angel's Burger is also closed. I don't know if it's just early, but normally this street is very busy at this time, but now it's very calm. So here is Best Choice. This is, if you're from BF, I'm sure you guys know this grocery. They're open still 24 hours, I think. So we're entering BF now. Usually this gate is super crowded, so now there are no people outside, not much. It's closed. 7-Eleven is closed.
Open?
Ay, open ba? Closed yan for the first time.
Later, not open.
Yeah, maybe later. This girl is always open. The owner of this restaurant. Fruit stand. Aguirre Avenue. Oh, it's open. Oh yeah, there's a line in Robinson's. You can't go inside all at the same time. Right, Daddy? Mercury is open. Flower shop. Flower shop. Just gonna drop off something. Puppy. Marble. This is the mom. I love the white one in mini marble. Yeah, this is nice. The one with ears up. Hi, puppies. This is Cookies, guys. And Marble, the mom of the cute puppies. There, mini Marble.
Same.
Right? Mini marble yan eh. Marble!
Nice.
Yeah. Our favorite dog there. Let's see if McDonald's is open. Closed. Closed also. Yeah. Of course. You need to. They really cooperate. Robinsons is open and Mercury. They are the hero stores. Mini Stop is closed, Honor. Oh yeah, they're Mercury. 2 branches near each other. They're open. Bank is closed. Best Choice also is open. We're now going to Dad's farm. Going to Dad's farm now. So, here is who welcomed us. Piranha puppy. And chicken number 1, chicken number 2, chicken number 3, and more chickens inside. Hello. Honor. They're playing with you. Hi. Hi.
What do you think about this chicken?
I think it wants to fight now.
Like that, like you can turn it. Where do you want, like that?
Yeah.
Also, I like it.
Honor,
Yeah, like that.
we're here in the farm. Because we need to get fresh air, diba, Honor?
Hmm.
You were just at home for 4 days now.
I'm still testing camera.
4 days at home. And so it's just to come here then stay home all day.
It's my favorite chicken color. Really?
It's your favorite?
No, when they're fighting, if I see this color,
Yeah.
I think, choose this.
I like the white one a lot.
Where's my annoying puppy?
Why is he annoying?
Licking?
Licking? So, okay, if you like that, then you like this chicken also.
Hmm.
Why?
This one and super black
You like
also.
black and white?
I like.
I was buying Coke Zero and someone went inside the store. I really heard the door open and this guy entered and changed my Coke Zero to Coke regular. Time to feed the chicken.
They were supposed to fight.
One by one. This is daily routine. If anyone wants to work here, just send your resume to feed fighting cocks.
You know?
Oh.
Yun yung galing sa sakit, ha? Galing sa sakit.
So they're feeding the fighting cocks now, and then after that I think they're gonna give vitamins. This is a daily routine for Nonoy, and I don't know, like he's been doing it for, I've known him since I was a baby, so he's super used to this job na. So vitamins.
Under the tongue.
Vitamins.
You drinking it? They will be.
It's probably already 9 or 10 a.m.
Appetite.
And it's been really crazy week for everyone. And I just hope that I'm just really worried for everyone. Oh, playing. Another stubborn dog. Let's check the makeup without the mask. Oh, I'm getting oily now, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm very worried for everyone. I just hope that everything will be a lot better very soon, and I hope this will all end very, very soon, because a lot of things that we are not expecting are happening, and I just wish for all of this to end completely very soon. And yeah, so please stay safe, everyone. Social distancing in banks. And they check. Still many cars in the morning.